Hey everyone, it's Star Sketch and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be I'm going to be showing all of you my room tour for summer 2024 because I haven't done a room tour in a hot minute, so why not? So without further ado, let's get into the room tour. We'll start at the door. So this is my door of how I, look at myself every day. Don't mind my outfit. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, but your girl has an interview today, so wish me luck. But yeah. And then all of these posters here are coloring posters, and I actually got the coloring posters from Five Below, and they're so adorable. And then I have this little piece of paper that says my mantra that I try to read to myself every day. I am changing the world actively every day to heal and inspire others. And then my mom got this sticker in a gift that she got from a vendor event. So I was like, ooh, I like that. So I kept it. Kind of gives me like Silence of the Lamb vibes. I don't know. And then over here is my little hair organizer thingy. It's a little messy, but that's the reality of it. I have barrettes, I have headbands, clips, bandanas, scrunchies, bows, and bobby pins, I should say, all in there. And then we'll go to this wall. So up there I have all of my Disney ears, this star necklace that I made at a baby shower because it was St. Patrick's Day theme, and then a bunch of pictures of me and my boyfriend. And then down here is my Trippy Draws backpack, which I use to either go to gaming events sometimes, for tabletop gaming events like trading card game stuff like Pokemon, Lorcana, Magic the Gathering, or I use it as a sleepover bag when I sleep over my boyfriend's house, so that's there. I have Peanut and Jose Jalapeno on a stick right there. My shoe rack full of shoes. That's my little table, if I'm sick or something in bed, or if I just want to have a be in bed all day, that's my little table that I can color on and stuff. And then next to it is my Cricut mat, which I will show you my Cricut in a second. And then these drawers just have various different stuff. The bottom bin just has all of my tarot and spirituality things. The second one just has bags and my wallet and my fanny pack for when I go for errands or walk the dogs or anything. And then this literally has all of my hygiene stuff kind of just tucked in there. And then we have all of my little knickknacks. We have Pumbaa, we have all my Disney stuff, this little crocheted mushroom I got, this axolotl that I painted. My parents gave me this peep from Easter. My boyfriend's grandma got me this. It's so cute. A little Lechonk, my name 3D printed, that my sister got me. Just a bunch of little things that I like to collect. Here is my fairy garden that I made. I made another one as well, but I gave it to my boyfriend, so he has one as well. But this one is on wheels, which is kind of cool. The other one isn't, but I still like this one a lot, especially my little pig and the hedgehog and everything. It was just super fun to make in my community craft group that I go to. And then on this shelf, I just have tech stuff, so Switch light, portable charger, and a phone stand. And then in here I have my fidget toy. So this one you pick out beads and you use the beads to make a necklace. I have my canoodle in there, my weird cube, this thing I got on vacation, Derpy, with my boyfriend, and it stretches and stuff. It's a little axolotl. And then this infinity cube, which is super fun to play with, honestly. So got all those in there. And then in here is basically nothing right now. I need to put something in there, but I just haven't figured out what to put in there, so it's empty. Going back to the wall here, this art I made, in a video. You could go back to my channel and watch it. This is a diamond art painting that I did a while ago of Belle and Chip. These are my little keychain collection. I want to start getting more, but at the same time, I'm like, I'm good with 3. 3 is good. This is a painting I got from an art friend of mine. This one I made a long time ago, and same with that one. I love Kaylee Jade, so she's like my little inspiration up there. And then down here, plus in this whole area, is my desk, which I've done a million desk tours before, so I'm not going to go too deep into it. But essentially I just have like shipping supplies and other mini products that I have. My paintings are tucked in there, and in here more shipping supplies, blank canvases for me to paint on, my Cricut, all of my charging equipment slash gaming equipment, my fun light that I like to put on. This has all basically of all my art supplies for the most part. My computer, I was watching Queso while coloring, my current coloring page. Been loving Sharpies lately, so that's been a vibe. My water bottle, my little caboodle, which has like my journaling essentials in it. But yeah, and then this just has all the stuff that I need for Star Sketch and other important documents. And then on the wall, I have this painting that I did at a paint night. I have this that my boyfriend's mom gave me. It just says Gamer Girl, try to keep up, which is perfect for me. I have these Minnie and Mickey lights that I also got from my boyfriend's family, and they light up and they're super cute. Me and my boyfriend one night, we did a little paint night, and we used 2 canvases. I started one, he started the other. So he started this one, I did some in it, and then he did some in it as well. Same with the other one, but 2 different concepts, really cool, and I just love it, so I put it right there. My calendar, and then this is my print board that I bring to craft fairs and stuff. So then when I just go, I could just take this off the wall and it's ready to go. So yeah. And then this is my little art cart. I've done an art cart tour before, but I have changed it up a little bit because I've added my coloring books to it, because I've recently decluttered a bunch of my coloring books recently, and the drawer is a little bit different. It just has some other miscellaneous craft supplies, so that's all in there. And that is my desk area. Moving on over here, we have my air conditioner, an essential for this summer. I have this laundry basket, which I filled with my stuffed animals and all my cozy clothes, aka long sleeve and hoodies. So that's all in there. And then I have this cup that I got when I went to Disney World. It lights up, super cool, so many memories. And I just leave it here because I didn't know where else to put it. And then this is my TV that I watch stuff while I'm in bed or whatever. My dresser full of clothes, my hamper. And then this wall, I have my two of my completed puzzles. One of Ursula and one of Cruella de Vil. I need to get back into puzzles again. But puzzles for me are more of a fall-winter hobby. So I'll definitely be doing those this fall and winter. And then we'll go to this wall. First, we'll go to Henry's area. So Henry, my dog, he sleeps in the bed while Teddy sleeps on my bed. So that's Henry's bed, and then I put his water there. He's an older dog, so sometimes he spills the water, so just in case I put a towel there. But yeah, that's his little area. And then on this wall we have this Prove Them Wrong Babe tapestry, which I got off of Temu. Another completed puzzle of the Evil Queen. This print is from Trippy Draws. This I got from an art friend. I made this in a video, got this in a giveaway. Same art friend made these two and this. I made this. I think I made a video of it. I'm not sure. I forget now. This I got as a pre-sketch canvas, and then I completed it myself. And then this I got as a gift, and I just really like the artwork on it. And then we get to where the magic happens, aka sleep, over here on the bed. So my bed I bought myself through Amazon. The bed sheets, or the comforter set here, is like a Trippy set that I got as a gift from Amazon. All my current stuffed animals are on the bed, aka Ed the Alien, Petunia, Stitch. I haven't named this Axolotl yet, so if you guys have a name for her, let me know. And then Shadow, the OG. Over here we have some tapestries of some tarot cards, so the moon, the sun, and the star. This giant tapestry, well, those are from Amazon, by the way. This giant tapestry is also from Amazon, and there's some lights there, which I would show you with the lights on, but it's the morning time, so it probably wouldn't show up as well. But yeah, that's my bed. And then over here is my shelves. So we'll go from the bottom to the top. So down here are extra pillows for my bed. I just don't always like to have a bunch of pillows. My books, some puzzles. I completed that 3D puzzle over there, but I just don't have a frame for it, so it just kind of sits there. My TV remotes, a new book series that I started reading that my friend gave me. This is my Magic the Gathering shelf with all of my Magic the Gathering cards. This is my Pokemon shelf with all of my Pokemon cards. This is my Lorcana shelf with all my Lorcana cards. And then up here is my game collection, aka Villainous. I have Guess Who, chess. I have Gathering of the Wicked, Code Names, I haven't played that yet, Unstable Unicorns, sushi games, etc. Just all the things I like to play with my boyfriend and my friends. And then on this wall, I just have some artwork. This I got in an art swap, and I love it. This I got as a gift. This and this I made myself along with this one. That's another Trippy Draws print. This Unique Vibe painting. I painted this from an art friend, all four there, and this one. And then this one I got as a gift. It's just my Leo as a star constellation. And then, to end off the room tour here, we have a hook here that I put my bathrobe and Turby twists on for like when I shower and stuff. And then I have my Stitch backpack that I use also for, you know, sleepovers and game nights and such. But that is the end of my room tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed my room. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below on where anything is from, or any questions about the layout or anything like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. More videos to come next week. Happy 4th of July, and I will see you guys all next week in the new video. Bye, guys.